Hey, bro, what you doing? You playing with your frog outside? Huh? I like the edge of the grass. Don't you, buddy? Your mommy put me in the shade. Brody boy. Show him how you like the edges, buddy. Yeah, I like the edge. Oh, you're going to put a foot any deeper in, huh? I know you got Bill on my feet. Yes, I do. Ooh, now you found your way in the grass. Okay. Well, we're gonna go, buddy. Yeah, Mommy's gonna go, but first we want to show him how annoyed you get with your glasses on your face. No thank you. Say no thank you. Okay, bye. Say bye. Oh, we have some snot coming down our nose. Mommy's gonna have to get. Okay, say bye so Mommy can go get it. Ooh. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.